My name is June Karaoke.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys slept well. I just woke up. It's on a Tuesday. I have a couple of errands and things to do, but before that, I got breakfast today from Art Cafe that I'm really excited about because I was actually craving some cake, and yeah, that's what I got. So I just can't wait to indulge in breakfast, and I'll show you guys what I got. So other than that, my plan today is to go do a couple of errands. I have something to go look at in a Decathlon. It's like a sportswear store in Two Rivers. That's where I'm going. I'm going to check on some sports gear that niliona online that they have. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. And then, yeah, I'll just take you guys through what I'm going to be doing today, Cindy. So let me show you guys the breakfast that I got first, and then, yeah, we can move on from there. Sunshine, blue skies, gotta cry. Sunshine, blue skies, I gotta cry. The man ain't supposed to cry. Listen, listen, I loved you. That sounds strange. I wish you would the man ain't supposed to cry. I gotta cry. I wanna go outside. I wish you would Hey guys, welcome back to my channel yet again. Thank you so much for joining me. So today has been a pretty productive day. You guys remember like 2 videos back, told you guys that a friend of ours is moving out of the country and they're selling their furniture. So as that day that I went to see, I just picked a couple of utensils from there and then paid for some things, but we never picked them. So today we went and picked them. So that's what I've been doing the whole day, plus arranging, plus a lot of things. And then after that, you guys saw nilienda kutafuta some plants. We went to make like a little home garden or something of the sort. So after that, what else happened? I think that's about it. And then I made a content. A content calendar. But because right now, by the way, if I didn't tell you guys, nilianzisha TikTok, my own TikTok account. I know it's been a long time coming. Nimekuanga to Instagram and YouTube, so I decided to start on TikTok as well. Niteka my handle here, but it's June's Kitchen. I decided to use my first name as compared to my Instagram where I use my second name, but that's a story for another day. So sahi nimefika, I just went to make dinner and I thought why not take you guys with me. I'm planning to make some rice, And I also, when I was out, I bought some goat ribs, yeah, chopped goat ribs from the supermarket. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. And then I'm also making it with some rice, some potatoes, and I think some cabbage. So yeah, so that's about it. Nothing much, nothing too crazy. But but I also did some other thing when I was doing when I was creating my content calendar, which is actually, for those who don't know what a content calendar, it's just like a normal calendar. Like it has, for example, let's take March has 31 days. So you just take the normal calendar and then you key in what content you want to make on what day. Like, let's say, for example, Monday I want to be shooting for YouTube, Tuesday I want to be shooting for Instagram, Wednesday I want to shoot for TikTok, and then Thursday is when I post or something like that. So that's what I've been working on, because it becomes really there's usually strain when it comes to balance, especially if you're a content creator across like a number of socials, not one. Because it's easy, like if you want to run sorry, low power, if you want to run if you're a content creator on like one platform, it's usually very easy to do that. But now I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, because I feel like I can reach a wider range of people by going into different platforms. And so I have to become more aware of how I spend my time, how I create content, in order for not for one social account to be above hizo zingine. Because it came to a point, this I'm speaking out of experience, because ilifika part I focused so much of my energy on Instagram and I forgot about YouTube. And I feel like if I had put that much of effort that I was putting on YouTube back then, singekuwa with this number of followers or subscribers that I have. But I don't regret it. I grew my Instagram, I grew my reach, and I'm happy. And now it's time to focus on other platforms as well. So yeah, that's the consistency in the videos. But it's actually very self-fulfilling to me to be able to push out content the way I am. I'm proud of myself. Yeah. So other than that, I also checked my financials. I started what will I call it, this year, one of my resolutions on my vision board, if you guys saw, you saw money. And surrounding and the aspects of money that I was getting into mostly was increasing my reach, like using my social media to actually earn money from it. I'm not using it as a hobby anymore. It started as a hobby, and now it's going on to be a career for me. That's what I'm planning to do this year. So with that, I need to also see return in investments, like the money that I get from brands, the money that I get from Muthoni or June Karaoke as a brand. I want to return it back into the brand itself, and in terms of buying equipment, making better quality videos for you guys. So I looked into saving. That's what I want to do. So there's this app that's called Chooms. If you guys don't know about it, this is not sponsored or anything. It helps you manage your money, shows you how like if you have a goal, let's say for example you want to buy a phone, and probably the phone you want to buy is like, let's say 30,000. So you say, like, by March I have to, like, let's say today, okay, let's use it for instance, today is March 1st. I want to get a phone by, let's say, June, or let's say April. So 30,000, I'll be saving this amount of money. The app shows you how much you need to be spending per day or per week in order to achieve your goal, which is something really nice. So that's what I'm working with, also to save my money. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing today. Nothing much. And yeah, but I've also been invited to something very special, which I'll be sharing with you guys very, very soon, which I'm very excited to be a part of. And this year, one of my goals again was also to get out of my comfort zone, and doing this is actually one of the things. And I'm very excited, but a bit nervous, but very excited for you guys to see what it is. So yeah, acha twende tupike before I start rambling a lot. Yeah, twende. guys, so I'm almost on my way. So today I'm headed to a tasting, an Indian food tasting outside of Nairobi. So that's what I just want to get ready. My forehead looks so big at this point. But I'm just trying to lay my hair, it has gel, so I'm just trying to lay it. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, let's go for the Indian tasting. See you guys there. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me. But I noticed I never do outros, so here's today's outro. Thank you so much for joining. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and join the family. Comment on the videos. Tell me what kind of videos would you guys like to see more, or if you like these videos, kindly also tell me as well. So share with your mother, your sister, your best friend, your grandmother, everyone, because yeah, why not. So thank you so much for joining me. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.